Hotties, hello and welcome to my channel Hot for Me. My name is Ernestine and here I share whatever is hot for me, food and gardening, and I always add a dash of chili because the only thing hotter than me is my chili tree, and I hope that the only thing hotter than you is your chili tree. Hottie, today we are making spicy rice as a meal or a side dish. So what I have here is rice mixed with dried lavender, and I always suggest that you do your own herbs that makes your food nice because you have to eat it. And this is dried fig leaves. They are healthy, they are amazing, and I will just be pouring it in. It has a coconut flavor when done, but it's soft like spinach and it gives your food a distinct flavor. And give it a try if you've never tried dried fig leaves in your rice. And then I'm just adding a bit of salt like this. I never measure, do everything up to your own taste buds, and then pouring some water. And now I'm just going to let it boil, and we'll go through the other ingredients right now. Let me just get this going. This is one big onion and one medium-sized onion chopped. Then I have ginger, thinly sliced, but I use one of those machines, just so much easier for me. Here I've got thinly sliced carrots. I eat carrots every day, so I slice them in different ways. Gives me a sense of variety. And then I have some jalapeno chilies. You may have any other chili or go without chili. One big aloe vera plant. I slice them into blocks like this. Then I let them soak for about 10 to 20 minutes. Then I start slicing them. They taste like beans when done, and they absorb all the flavors that you add to your meal, and they're juicy and delicious and give the taste of meatiness to your food. So if you've never tried it, give it a try. This is my own mixture of herbs or spices. It is bay leaf and coriander, turmeric, ginger and a bit of curry. Make up your own. I'm eating it with salad. Enjoy it with salad, green salad, beetroot salad, potato salad, cucumber salad, whatever your mouth calls for. Hearty, this is the end result. A sliced tomato. There we go. You can see it like that. And there we go. And this is what my meal looks like. I've added some pineapple mint on my tomato, just for that extra flavor, and I'm sure it will enhance the rest of the flavors. Thank you once again and enjoy a hot for you day. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being with me in the garden. It's so hot and it's so much fun to have a hot for you friend just like you. Ciao ciao, and have a hot for you day where the only thing hotter than you is your chili tree.